Okay, so now friends, we have turned on the gas and now we will add the water. Let the water get boiled and then we will add the other ingredients. See, the water has come to boil. We are adding in the ginger. We have added elaichi and cloves. Now we will put the lid and let it simmer for a while. See, all the ingredients are completely mixed into the water and it has turned aromatic. We'll add 1 tablespoon of our tea leaves. We are adding in the milk. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Let it come to a boil. Voila, your chai is done. It's ready to serve. Do let me know how it has turned out.